So I'm at the famous cheese, organic cheese, whatever cheese factory here in, what's this place again? I forgot.
Kyanjim.
Kyanjin. Everybody told me to make sure get cheese from here, so I'm actually going to buy some cheese. And let's go inside, see how it's made. It's pretty cool. It was, I think the Swiss helped them to build this, to make cheese. It's pretty cool here. So here's how they manufacture cheese. And your cheese, Swiss help गरेको पहिला
पहिला सुनमा चाहिँ स्विच लिएको
सुइलले help गर्यो अनि अब यो के गभर्नमेन्टकै हो इज इट गभर्नमेन्टले रन गरेको It's nice. So basically it's run by the government, this cheese factory. दुईटा पिस काट्दिउँ है. Check this out. That's real cheese there. Dang. A whole shelves of cheese.